a man survived 3 gunshot wounds is serious, blood.
Behave yourself. Well, yeah, of course, he should be a grandpa. He looks like a grandpa. I will. Actually, I will. Actually, he's a grandpa.
Yeah, please, just show them the gunshot wound. Yeah. Because
I'm back with the pumpy.
You take a pumpy shot to you.
Man, the man take the pumpy up in the wall and sing in the house and wait till I come in the house, blood. And I looking at the mirror. I looking at the mirror and the man just pump me to blood clot. That's all I know, blood.
you survived 3 gunshot wounds, blood. It's not a joke, blood.
Check it out, man.
Look there in West Croydon. What one? You right, yeah? Bless.
You're not cooking today?
Cooking tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
You want some dumplings?
Yes, please.
Festivals. Got some festivals.
Thank you, brother. This one's good, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, good vibes. They say I deal with the fire, my G. I love that. Good vibes. Grenadilla, yeah. Alright, let me get that as well. How much is that?
That one is 240.
So you see that, people, yeah, this 4 come up to 240, so it's imported. Sharing out some food and we're just sitting down around the fire right now, just holding the vibes, isn't it?
Good vibes, man.
Good vibes.
Nice and warm.
That is it. Yeah, just been on the mission.
I know you are.
Yeah. Look, everyone, yeah, Euro Fruiters is one of the oldest shops here in Croydon. 30 years, so look. Yes, everybody, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen and Ringo Vision, people, yeah. Alright, today we're gonna cook the food right here, people, yeah. In the park, people, yeah, good vibes. Big up everybody that's on the program, people, yeah. Come in, let me show you what I've got. We've got 4 shopping trolleys out today, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we've got pot number 1 and we've got our next trolley here that's got like the water and the little cutleries there. Come in and have a look, and then we've got the next trolley that's got like the fresh vegetables and you understand? And then we've got this trolley here. We're gonna be cooking some rice today. And then on the next pot over here, people, yeah, we're gonna be cooking some chicken, you understand? So we've got some brown, we've got some, you understand? Our good vibes, people, yeah. Welcome to the program. Big up yourself. Our good vibes. That is it.
Ringo Vision.
Ringo Vision, yeah. Ringo got the vision, yeah. Ringo Vision. Cause when you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle. When you're cooking with Ringo, you know how to tingle.
We're just lighting the fire right now, you understand? A good vibe, so. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're there, people, yeah. So we just kick off this fire here right now. You understand? So that is it. We gotta start the process of cooking right now. So we outside and we've got the vegetables them there. So right now, so we're gonna start cutting up some onions to go into the pot. You understand? And then we're gonna start dealing with the rice a little bit later. But we had to light up the fire, people, here to keep the environment that we're in right now nice and cushy. A good vibes. It's cold outside, people, yeah, so right now we're gonna kick off the kitchen. See, we've got 4 trolleys out today, you know. I know normal settings, you understand? Look out for the 7th of December, people, yeah. Christmas barbecue. So look, this is the environment that we're gonna be in. So this is just like a little warm-up session, people, yeah. So I just thought I'd bring you guys into the environment quickly where we're gonna have the Christmas dinner. You understand? So could you imagine everybody sitting down inside of this environment right now, having their Christmas dinner? We've got chairs around the sides as well, people, yeah. That is it, in our good vibes. And we're gonna be burning the fire as well, people, yeah. That is it. Wow, look at that, people, yeah, that is so amazing. Look at that sunburst there. We've got the fire burning right now. You understand? What better could we have, people, yeah? We bring you outside. It's an energy right now. You understand? We're gonna start cooking right now, people, yeah? Wow, that is it, you know? Keep the fire burning. Cause you don't know, so yeah, we have to keep the fire burning, you understand, people? Cause if we don't keep the fire burning, that means we can't keep the love, so you have to keep the love, so you have to keep the fire burning, cause the love is what? The love is hot, you understand? That's why we can spread it around, you understand? Warm up everybody's heart, you understand? A good vibes. What I'm doing now is just cutting up some onions, you know, and put some onions into the pot, so good vibes, people, yeah? Come in. And show what I want. Look. Yes, people, just an ordinary day today at the market, people. Yeah, I'm just going to show you what's happening today in Croydon, a day that I'm not cooking, people, yeah. So good vibes. I've just turned up here at the market quickly. I'm going to just show you what's going on. It's a nice bright day today. It's too chilly, it's too cold, you understand? It's nice and vibrant. A good vibes said way, people, yeah, that is it. We're outside. Yes, people, it's busy at the market. Busy. What's he doing with my shopping trolley?
Behave yourself. Your grandpa, behave yourself. Well, yeah, of course, he should be a grandpa. He looks like a grandpa. I will. Actually, I will. Actually, he's a grandpa. He's rude. I'm helping somebody and he's still complaining about me helping somebody.
That is it. Madness here at the market. What's going on at the market? I try to keep the good vibes at the market, you understand, people, yeah? You have to deal with the customers good, you have to deal with the customers good. You have to deal with the people them right. Bless. Alright, people, we're outside. You see, even when Ringo Vision is not cooking, there's still vibes there in the market, you know. There's still a little bit of attention there in the market. Big man, what going on, you alright? What are you saying, man? Yeah, good vibes. That is it, so we're outside, said we're people here, we're at the market. Yeah, man, fruits and vegetables. Yeah, man, what going on? Yeah, man, good vibes. That is it, people, we're outside, sir. Connect. Bless, wagwan. Wow, what's up? Wagwan. Hello, guys. Good vibes. I see you drinking a porridge. Porridge? Yeah, is that porridge? Yeah? Cornmeal porridge? Porridge? Yeah. Porridge? Yeah, it's a porridge? Yeah. From Mikey? Yeah. I might get a porridge as well from Mikey. Good vibes. Mikey does good porridges. Let's check Mikey, people, yeah? Good vibes. See at the market here, things still have to get prepped, you know, and organised and sorted out. So as you can see that, wagwan, alright. Good vibes.
Yeah, bro.
See that in the fruits and vegetables, then you still have to organise and take away the good ones from the bad ones. You understand, people, yeah? And they get sectioned up in bowls. Ringo Vision should be getting the section out of these boxes. I lie, people. Yeah, man, are real vibes. That is it, people, yeah. So remember, so we're on the mission right now, and we have to stay up on the mission, people, yeah. And we've got 1 million people to feed. Our good vibes just to cut through right now. Yeah, man, just the. See Mikey, yeah. Check Mikey, big up Mikey. Well, go on, we just have big up Mikey. You know, you see I put in some work in our kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, man, where are they?
No good vibes, man. Fried chicken. Fried chicken fry up already.
Yeah, man, fried chicken up, man.
That is it, people. So when you come down to Croydon, come check Mikey right us up on the market lane. You understand? Good vibes.
Sorry.
Mikey this year, you understand? That is it, people, yeah? Good vibes. The beef. Right, just so in the market, so remember, so we come check up in Nigeria and right, so you know. Deal with some Nigerian spices right so in a Surrey Street market, people, yeah? Good vibes, man. Yeah, man, some street food out here. Surrey Street, have yard food over this. I said we are dealing with things, said we are people, yeah? Good vibes on a Surrey Street market, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, good vibes, good vibes. They say I deal with the fire, my G. I love that. Good vibes. Don't know, say, Ringo Vision love when the fire blaze, you know. Can't cool, can't quench. Look at that, everyone. What's that you're frying up there, love?
It's bread in the butter.
Bread and butter. Mmm. And what are you going to serve that up with?
With a chutney, tomato put in the chutney.
Pichati?
Chutney, yeah.
Chutney?
Yeah.
Okay. A good vibes. You see that, people, yeah? Frying up the bread in some butter. A good vibe. You have to deep fry it, yeah?
Yeah.
That is it. Some other little finger foods here. Said way some samosas. That onion bhaji there as well.
No, that's taro.
Which one?
Taro.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Cocoa yam. Which one's the cocoa yam?
That one.
Which one? Show me.
This one is cocoa yam.
Okay. Shredded, yeah? You shredded it?
Yeah, grated.
How much is this one?
75p.
Let me get one. Thank you. Thanks, yeah? Alright, thank you, yeah? Alright, I'm gonna taste it. Hey, who's going? Yeah. It's quite crunchy, look. And sweet. Yum. Yeah, it's nice. Thank you, yeah? You're right, yeah. You good? This fry yam, yeah, good enough people. Yeah, man, good vibes. Yeah. Welcome.
Yeah,
You right, yeah?
Yeah, you done this there.
That cocoa yam is bad. Nice. Yes, people, so we just reach up on Croydon High Street right now. Yeah, man, just a walk through the town right now, people, yeah. Another day other than us just cooking. So I look through the town and see what I got on, people, yeah. Because remember that we got our Christmas dinner on the 7th of December as well, people, yeah. So we just walk around as well at the same time and connect with some of the homeless people them that we see as well. And just remind them that next week is dinner time, you understand? Official Christmas dinner celebration, you understand, people, yeah? Alright, a good vibes, that is it. Homelessness is actually scattered around inside of this town as well at the same time, people, yeah. Just in front of the gates of the Whitgift Centre there, you got a man there, Sedway. He's one of the people that we feed, Sedway, so I'm not going to just put him on camera just like that because we ain't got nothing to give him today, but we'll just connect quickly as well, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Alright, that is it. Just handing out the information, you know. Our good vibes. We walk to the end of the high street, we enter into a different zone, which is West Croydon, people, yeah. So our good vibes are just gonna pass through Sedway because sometimes there's like a lot of homeless people hanging around all over the town of Croydon, people, yeah. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Remember that the mission continues, you understand? Our aim is to connect with humanity, you understand? We are here on this journey together, everybody. As you've seen from the beginning till now, we've actually accomplished like a half a year. We've done 6 months, and in that 6 months, we've all accomplished to connect with like over 10,000 people and helped individuals And we've had some really good stories back on the journey as well so far. While we've been on the journey, people have come back and they've been housed and they've been given temporary accommodation. Like people like Sue, you guys should know Sue. So Sue's got somewhere that she's staying right now. So you understand? A few people's been given some temporary accommodation. So we're still on the mission, people, yeah? And the journey continues, you understand? So let's keep going. A lot of people have been asking how can they donate and how can they give back and things like that. So I've created a GoFundMe. The link is in the description of this video. Click on it and then obviously you can go through the procedures from there. Big up yourself to each and every one of you that's been anonymously sending a fund through, and some of you, like on the last video, I bigged you guys up and I mentioned some names. Continue to thank everybody that's been supporting us on this mission, on the journey. That GoFundMe will enable us to take on our mission a little bit more swiftly and enable us to reach out to different areas as well, and just gather the ingredients and things that we need to aid us on our journey, people. Yeah, a lot of people have been saying, Ringo, you need a pop-in shop, you need a food truck. So people have been saying, set up a GoFundMe and we'll help you to get a food truck so that we can be on the road. And the food truck would be absolutely amazing to actually be on the road with a food truck, to be able to drive to different parts of England and just be spreading the mission and be handing out food to people all over the UK and all over London as well, people, yeah. So a good vibe. So let's think of that and just work towards a food truck as well, people, yeah. The mission continues. A good vibe. We're in West Croydon right now. So as we've come here, remember that right here in front of Pizza Hut right here, Dave was here. So I don't know who's here at the moment, but there's a tent, there's a full house that's been set up here right outside Pizza Hut, people, yeah. But it doesn't seem like there's nobody home at the moment, but you can see the conditions. Like I said, there's people all over scattered about on the streets of Croydon, different crevices and corners in front of shops, alleyways. Croydon's got underpass, so and there's loads of different places where people be hanging out and just be tucked away. You understand, people? Yeah. Even in the general public like this, you understand? You get this type of settings here, right here in the heart of West Croydon, people. We're on London Road. You understand? I'll continue to show you what I go on Segway. Big up yourself, a good vibes. Euro Fruiters. What go on?
Where are you? Where you been?
I've been
You're
here.
in the market nowadays.
Yeah, just been on the mission.
I know you are.
Yeah. Look, everyone. Yeah, Euro Fruiters is one of the oldest shops here in Croydon. So 30 years. So look, we're going back to the 90s, right? Or 80s? Early 80s. So look, we're going back to early 80s, people. So we're looking at the age bracket of 30 years old and plus. So 35 years old, people. So if you're from the eras of the 80s and your parents was ever from Croydon, you understand? Or your grandparents, you'd remember this shop here. It's been here the longest, people, yeah? Right here on London Road. Come and check them out as well. They've got authentic products that's also imported from around the world, fruits and vegetables. Like we've got the June plum here, we've got the dry coconut here, we've got the papaya here, we've got the Sharon fruit here. The Sharon fruit kind of reminds me of a Jamaican star apple as well, but a different, you understand? We've got the cucumber here, the organic cucumber, a good vibes. Is that mangostan you call that one there, yes? This one is rambuta, people, yeah? And that one there is a mangosteen and rambuta. These are different fruits. Have you ever tried these, people? Yeah, we might get one of those. So all right, we're gonna get one of each here. So we try it on the program so that you guys can see it. Yeah, good vibes. So let's just try some fruits today. Different fruits. We're gonna see the prices of them here and how much they cost as well. Good vibes. Yeah, man, big up yourself. We're there, and let's get one of these. We're gonna come back and get one of these as well. That is it. Let me just put that there. That is it, people. Yeah, big up yourself. So we're gonna get one of these as well. What do you call this one again? Grenadilla. Grenadilla. Yeah. Alright, let me get that as well. How much is that?
That one is 240.
So you see that, people, yeah, this 4 come up to 240, so it's imported fruits and vegetables, so it's got a price to it as well. A good vibes, but if you know, you know. We're gonna have this today on camera, people, and try it all together, yeah. A good vibes. That house that we just saw over there belongs to this gentleman here. So yeah, he's on the strip. So his yard's just right over here, people, yeah. So how I know, from I've seen him on the strip and I've seen a setup like that, I know that belongs to Dave, people, yeah. Alright, so we're gonna tell Dave about the Christmas dinner. Our good vibes. We're here on London Road, people, yeah, West Croydon. That is it. It's quite busy, not that busy, but yeah, man, our good vibes. Euro Fruiters. Yeah, man, let's go back inside, yeah. Let me show you some of the things them that you can come here and get. You know about the aloe vera plant as well. What other things have they got? They've got the this is a South American white yam. What they've got the dragon fruit as well. So that's a dragon fruit here, people. Yeah, something different. You understand? Our good vibes. Yes, people, our good vibes. You know, so we link up foodie rankings. That's you know, cause enough food I deal with in idea. Yeah. That is it. A stack up. Come like you have a big function you deal with today, foodie.
Yeah, we are on 500.
We got coleslaw, fried chicken, jerk chicken, more fried chicken, more jerk chicken, fish and yeah, man, I'm gonna stock up the food truck, people. You're there, West Croydon, and good vibes. That is it. Ranking tea, what kind of soup? What kind of pie is that there? Mix up
Peanut, about 4 pies in one.
4 porridge in one, no, people. Oats, peanut and cornmeal. And probably I'll cash it too. Banana. A good vibes.
If you have 5 at 79 in bar.
No, man.
So all get shot na 70.
Me don't know.
In ban almost a year before 80. Man,
74.
Man.
I did the greatest thing in this world.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What happened in
if you're born 74, you're 50.
Yeah?
So pull it,
May I tell you, that's what I said to you.
Me up to rats, you know.
In 74, I get shot down.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, brother, man.
Who shut it down, brother?
I don't know, blood. Someone shot me down in my house with a pumpy. I swear to God.
You have to show me this shot, brother.
It fixed, man.
Show me shot, brother, please.
No, it's in my back, blood. It fixed by God.
Bust the jacket and let me see shot.
Alright.
You're too close, man.
Hold on.
Don't worry, it's fixed.
No, serious. Let me see. No, serious. Let me
It's
see.
fixed, blood.
Let me see it, man.
No, love it, blood. I want that, man. It's fixed, blood. It's fixed, blood.
I lie you, I tell.
Yeah, man, stop taping me as well, blood. You don't get no people blood. All of the artists who come from country are them boss. Bob Marley, the Wales, they're all boss.
Yeah.
Garnick, they're all boss.
All of them boss, Bobla.
Bounty, they're all boss. Bounty by the Kingston, blood. But me I talk about, you know about country, you used to live a country.
Bounty not run a country. And just that area pay fucking lie out there and chat fuck. But in left hand son, I was a PMP.
Yeah.
That's why I'm left hand son, I'm got 2 man back to him so I have to go live. What talk about?
Bobla, the conversation that we are draw up, you know. You not ready yet?
You not ready yet?
No, you're not ready for the conversation there yet. The kind of conversation there before your history, man.
Yeah,
no, a long time back, man.
You don't know about Baby Sham then, bro?
No, me know.
Remember back with the pumpy.
And you take a bump shot to you.
Man, the man take the pump up in the wall and sell in the house and wait till him come in the house, blood. And I looking at the mirror. I looking at the mirror and the man just pump me to blood clot. That's all I know, blood.
Just like that?
Yeah, blood.
For no reason?
Yeah, blood. It's a pump in the room. That's right, blood. Why you doing that? To the bar.
Yeah, please, just show them the gunshot wound. Yeah, because this is serious.
Why you saying that, blood?
No, because a man survived 3 gunshot wounds is serious, blood. You survived 3 gunshot wounds, blood. It's not a joke, blood.
Check it out, blood.
Look there, everybody, yeah? You can see, say, look. Right there, sir. And right there, sir. Where you said the third one, you can't even see it.
Yeah, it's right there on there. Right. It's our base out, you know. Let's fix that.
Andrew, man saying get shot in him. Man saying get shot in him back in the Andrew.
I'm at 45. Well, after the year back.
Bubbler.
Well, I'm after the year back.
Yes, people, I'm still in West Croydon. So good vibe. So, yeah, man. So, that's a madness still. 3 gunshot wounds and you still alive to tell the story, people, yeah? You understand, we're outside. Remember, say, we still got our fruits and that we're going to be trying, people, yeah? Our good vibes. You can still come to West Croydon and get some fresh fruits and vegetables. Look at them papaya there. Good vibes. So, yeah, man, that is it. The outside people, yeah, it's busy. It's gotten a little bit busier. You understand?
Hello, darling. How are you? I just saw one of your guys and pushing a thing.
Your trolley?
Yes, and then looking at me like I'm.
No, I'm out tomorrow.
Okay, darling.
Yeah, bless,
okay.
yeah.
Bless
One
up,
love, yeah.
darling.
Bless. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we outside, people, yeah. Yeah, man, West Croydon, busy. You understand? Still have some people there, stationed there. We are connect. Big up yourself, people. It's gotten about afternoon time now, so we was chilled up for a little while. You understand? We was reasoning with Bubbler. Bubbler was telling us his story about he's received, this is Derby Road, he's received 3 gunshot wounds and he's still able to tell us the story. You understand? God bless him, people, yeah. We're on the journey, said we. Remember that the mission continues, people, yeah, giving back to the homeless and helping the local community. Yeah, man, we're just in the heart of town right now. You understand? Just showing you how the place look, people, yeah. West Croydon. This bus here that you see right here coming is a 250. This bus here is taking you straight from West Croydon, going all the way to Brixton. You see that? Yeah, man. And you got the 407 there, Sedway, taking you all the way to Sutton. You understand? Good vibes. Things to do in West Croydon. You got Casper's, it's like a dessert place here, Sedway. Yeah, man. Good vibes, people. Busy day here in West Croydon, people, yeah. Yeah, man, good vibes. Just got cut through Sedway. Big up yourself. That is it. Differently from all the stigmas that you hear about Croydon. Yes, the dynamics of it has changed over the years, but it's still offering a multicultural community at the same time. There's a diverse of people from all over the world that's here in West Croydon. What one? You right, yeah? Bless.
You're not cooking today?
Cooking tomorrow. Yeah. You want some dumplings?
Yes, please.
Festivals. Got some festivals.
Thank you, brother. This one will do. One's good, bro.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, good vibes. Yeah, man. One love, yeah? Yeah. Yes, people. So we're outside. Not much, but yeah, man, we have a festival. We can share it, innit? Our good vibes, people, yeah? Yeah, like I said, that Croydon is a multicultural community. It's diverse. People come here for shopping. People come here for hair products. People come here for the food, for the market culture. A lot of different things. People here are good vibes.
Superstar.
Well, go on.
What are we saying?
But there, man, I'm just vlogging.
It's gonna circle the roads.
Outside. My old school brethren that people, yeah, man. So a good vibe said way, yeah, big him up. Yeah, man. We grew up together on the same ends. You understand? Same place, you understand? That is it. Croydon's got everything in there. Fashion, you understand? Beer fashion, beer things on sale. Today is actually Black Friday as well, so there's a lot of people out grabbing a bargain, you understand? Let's walk through the Whitgift Centre. Yeah, man, good vibes. So this is Croydon's original shopping centre, which is the Whitgift Centre, people, yeah? And this is where people would have come to, like back in the day, people still come to right now. It had a lot more shops in here than it does now. So as you walk through it, you'd see that there's places where there would have been a lot more shops, but you understand? It's closed down, but there's still a local vibe said where people still come in there, people still do local shopping. There's still a Boots and a Mark and Spencer, so you know that they're big organizations, so they're always gonna still be up here, you understand? And still be in active business such as these type of business here. Let me show you. The River Island, as you go through, you see that there's business over there that's closed off Sedway. Remember, this is just the Whitgift Centre in Croydon, people, yeah? You've got the escalators there. Sushi thing there, I go on, people, yeah? A good vibe, but we're just gonna walk through. As you can see that, look, next to Claire's, a lot of shops. And this is where Ringo Vision could have his little pop-up shop inside here, serving up food. Look, as you can see, there's shops that are open, there's little stools, pop-up stools, but at the same time, you can see that there's empty shops as well. Empty shop there, you understand? Next little pop-up there, people, yeah? Empty shop there, empty shop next door. And this is a shopping centre as well, people, yeah? There's still find time to fling up their little Christmas decoration and all them kind of things there. But look how much empty shop. Look, this was the body shop, big franchise, and it's closed down. It's not there no more. You understand? You've got a Superdrug next door, opposite, but at the same time, like I said, there's a lot of empty businesses here. Look, you got a Mark and Spencer's that was H&M. Sorry, a H&M that was just right here, that lock off. You understand? But as you go through, we're inside of the Whitgift Centre, people, yeah? In Croydon, are good vibes. This would have been once a busy shopping centre, people, yeah? Especially in the middle here of the shopping centre. At one point, it would have been very, very busy, especially at a time like this, coming up to Christmas. You'd have had a lot of crowd, a lot of people, a lot more shops. Different shops. Over the years, obviously, different businesses come in and out. But what you would have seen a long time ago is a lot of foot floor in here. As you can see, that's the next business there. That's not there. Empty shop again. You understand, people? As you go through, and you got upstairs, that's quite derelict as well. There's not really much businesses upstairs as well, people. Yeah. A good vibe said we just a cut through. You understand? So this is just another side to Croydon, because I never really brought you guys inside of here and showed you guys inside of the centre, different parts of the centre, you understand? Different parts of Croydon. Look, as you can see, closed business, all this line here, business them lock off, no business here, no business there, you understand? It's empty shops, people, yeah? So as you can see on the outside, when you guys see on the outside where the market is, but when you come inside of the centre, the actual original Whitgift Centre of Croydon would have once been a vibrant place where a lot of people would have come shopping. There would have been a lot of different types of shops here. As you can see there, this is another empty shop there. That's another empty business there. That's another empty business there in the corner as well. I once worked for Half Price Jewelers as well, and this is about over 15, 18 years now. Let's say about 20 years. Yeah, as you walk through the centre, it's a little bit, you understand? Croydon Council, so they're still catching water from the ceilings. So construction work is needed also in the centre as well. This part of the centre here has been locked off for as long as I could remember. Inactive. This used to be like a little cafeteria place right here in the centre, people, yeah. And as we've come here, empty business here on this side as well. Empty business all along there is empty. No business is open, people, yeah. But as you walk through the centre, there's an odd 1 or 2 businesses. I'm just going to go up the escalators quickly so that you can just see the dynamics of upstairs quickly as well. Yeah, man, big up yourself, people. We're on the journey. As we've been in and out of Croydon and we've been cooking, I just thought today would be a day where I just show you the different sides of Croydon, so that you guys can get a little feel of the environment that we've been cooking in. This centre, could you imagine back in the day, this would have been a marvellous centre with the glass roof as well, with the sun beaming inside. But now, as you can see, it's very much, it's unoccupied. A lot of the units are unoccupied, people, yeah. But at the same time, people do come into Croydon as well, because there's certain shops here like a Mark and Spencer's and other big franchises and corporate businesses like a Clark's downstairs. You understand, people, that supplies for men, children, women's and essential stuff. You understand, especially for the footwear. You understand? Clark's is a big franchise business. This is once used to be a jewelry store. No longer in operation anymore. All along this side here, as you can see, another big corporation that's open here is a Superdry. And like I said, all the other local businesses, they've not been able to stay in there because the foot floor is not here for them to survive. As you can see, upstairs here is empty. There's no foot floor. It's a ghost town shopping centre, people, yeah. At the same time, we do see a bit of foot floor and a bit of business, but when you check the overall of a big old shopping mall like this, you can count how many people are downstairs. And what we got here is the 3rd floor, and the 3rd floor is just totally locked off. And we're coming from this direction here, from downstairs along there. And as you can see, like upstairs, a lot of businesses are closed, not open, no longer there. This is a games unit that's from the outside, but as you can see, like I said, I'm upstairs. It's very, very, very much derelict. They've got securities planted in each point, but what are they really securing? Do you understand? Because there's not much people in the shopping centre. Do you understand? Itself. There's another centre called Centrale. Let's go and take it a little visit, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Yes, people, so as we come out of the Whitgift Centre, yeah, right behind us right there, yeah, we're going to head right opposite, is the opposite centre in front of us. Is the Centrale, and the Whitgift Centre is right there. Centrale's right opposite. And yeah, let's just take a look and walk through this centre and check the difference. That one's there is like a ghost town, people, yeah, and this one here has got a few more things going on. And I remember said we're in Croydon, so more time you don't even get to see the environment of Croydon. So let me just show you Croydon, people, yeah, a little bit more dynamics, so that you get an idea of where we're cooking. More time you see us out on the high street or you see us in the market. You understand, you don't get to see the actual place and know the place that we're actually in and we're cooking and the people them. You understand, the different type of people that are here as well in the community. Big old Christmas tree here. Blessed Kwanzaa to everybody that's watching right now. Big up yourself. So as you can see, we've got the shopping centre here, people. Yeah, this is the Centrale. We was cooking outside of that next outlet when the police came the other day. Still. Sick little food truck here. Check it out. What are you providing here? chip. You right, yeah? So this is what's on the menu, everyone. Got like a little wrap, chips, rice,
Samosa chaat, biryani, lamb curry and rice.
And
the big chef here, Boga chef.
Come on, good vibes. So you make it all fresh here on deck, yeah?
Yeah, do you want to try any food?
Yes, boss. Wagwan.
How are you, good?
So tell us about the food that you're providing today in Croydon.
Yeah, my food is very nice, delicious. Do you try my food, like lamb curry and chicken curry? One of the best curry and chicken curry.
So, before, tell us. I like this van. It's actually amazing.
Yeah.
What made you come up with this concept?
I'm worker here. I don't have ideas.
Okay.
My boss knows everything. I'm my manager.
Everyone, look at this food truck. Yeah, this is what Ringo Vision.
Come on, guys.
Look. He's promoting, saying come on, but he doesn't even understand that the people, look, this is what we need. We actually need one of these food trucks here on the road. He's got one of these people, yeah. He's working for this organization, yeah. But we actually need one of these on the road, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Look at it. It's like it looks like it's portable, mobile. You can drive around with it. This one looks like it's a stationary one, but I'm sure we can have a mobile one just like this, people, yeah, on the road. Look at it. He's got kitchen inside. Everything's inside,
Fresh,
people.
clean.
Fresh,
Very nice.
clean, nice.
Come on, guys. Come on.
That is it. You can check them out when you come down to Centrale as well, people, yeah? Our good vibes.
Actually, it's a very big restaurant everywhere, you know?
There's a restaurant?
Yeah, it's a very brand restaurant, you know, in Indian. Like, you want to go like start for Westfield. There
Okay.
is a big Indigo restaurant. Also
What's the name?
Westfield, yeah.
What's the name?
Indigo restaurant, Indigo.
Indigo restaurant.
Yeah.
All right, people. So this is the Indigo restaurant, people, yeah, and this is
Very
just.
famous, you know. Everyone know. It's very famous restaurant all over the world.
All right, so this is what's on the menu
Our
today.
food is very tasty and yummy, to be honest.
Good
Please
vibes.
Come on, guys, come on. Angolas is very famous drinks in India.
Now this is something to look at, isn't it, everyone? A whole ball of Christmas lights. Are good vibes. Here in the Centrale, so the Centrale's got like a nicer appeal because it's got a house of Fraser in there. So that's a very, very big franchise, everybody, yeah. As you can see, they've got the Santa's Christmas Sky Ride. Oh wow. So there's something here for the kids.
Good job. And a ball.
Guess they'll go inside of here, go through this little machine or whatever, this little section. Yeah man, good vibes. Something there for the picnic them. And they come out through this side here. Let's see what's going on the next side. Okay, so they go through. And how much? How much is it for this ride?
Say that again.
How much is it?
It's £6.50 per child.
Okay.
And then adults have to pay. You go to the front, my friend.
Yeah.
There's like a QR code poster. If you can scan that on your phone, it tells you everything you need to know and how to book.
Nice one. Good vibes. Good vibes. £6.50 for a child to go into the little ride. So, what's in there? What's in there?
It's a normal grotto. You see Santa, you get a gift, you get a picture.
So Santa's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Good vibes. Good vibes. Wagwan, you good? Yeah. Yes, people are good vibes. So look, like I said, the Centrale's got it's got more shops that's open. Do you understand? But downstairs in the Centrale is actually empty, but they've dressed up in here and made it look very, 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 you understand, very, very seasonal. But downstairs all empty stores, people, yeah. But on this floor here, you can see that they're quite active, got some big brands that's got some businesses here, like this shop that does jewelry, watches, you understand? Got that shop over there that's closed. This one here's got a closing down. Everything must go. But yeah, inside of the Centrale is a bit different from the Whitgift Centre. It's got a bit more appeal, you got a bit more people in here. It's looking a bit more seasonal. It's got a big franchise next here as well. Good vibes, people. Yeah. So we're there. We're gonna go back out on the high street again. Yes, people. So as we're coming out of the centre and we're going outside back onto the high street, you can see that the Whitgift Centre is right opposite us there. You understand? On this end, so we just travel from that end, but on the inside. You understand? So we're not gonna go down the high street and show you the high street again. But a good vibe. But you can see the two centres, people here, are right opposite each other. Are good vibes. Come we try this little fruit called mangostan anyway, like break it apart. Okay, so it's got the little white pods inside of it. Wow. Sweet. Describe the taste, Ringo. It's got a honeyish taste. It's very sweet. We'll taste the next piece and see how I go on for it. The skin's very bitter though, but it's very, very nice, people, yeah? Would I recommend trying it? Make you feel like Mama Dali. This is the next one that we're gonna be trying, people, yeah? Alright, good vibes. So this is like a little jelly. Wow. Very fleshy. Nice. If the kids them like jelly, they'll like this one. A good vibe, people, yeah? Big up on yourself. I like them fruit, exotic fruits. You need them. So the last one that we're going to be trying today, people, yeah, is this one here. So the inside of this one here looks like a passion fruit. Oh wow. This one's like caramel, people. Little seeds them are like caramel. Nice.
¿En catalán hablas? ¿En catalán?
No fala, pero un poco entiendo.
Sí, es que es totalmente diferente. Catalán, totalmente diferente. I'm speaking.
Sorry, sir. Sorry,
I'll get a van.
No, I was gonna get it for you, innit?
Yeah, I've got man with van. I've got man with van anyway. The electric.
They'll deliver us for.
The vibes, no, start
Good vibes, man.
Start sharing up now.
Nice.
That is it.
That is lovely.
Why no one else?
Nice little brown stew, people, yeah? Good vibes, look at that.
Yeah, I saw 3 or 4 people outside Marks and Spencer's. I said, look guys, if you're hungry, come down to Wonder.
Alright, so just outside right now, we're gonna serve up some food, people, yeah? Good vibes.
I want to eat, he said.
Yes, you got your rice. I've been on it. Did you get some food then? I went out and drinking.
You want to buy your breakfast?
That's the last one I had food.
You got the first one food?
Yeah, because I stopped. No.
He's taking the first one.
Yeah, I think I bought you on Monday.
Oh no. Because I worked.
Nice one, mate. Thank you very much.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
When I worked yesterday, didn't I? So obviously I haven't used the stand because I started drinking because I got flat.
Didn't I get you a couple of baguettes yesterday?
No.
Or was it the day before yesterday?
Day before yesterday you did. And then I started, and then as soon as I drink, I'll go on a full, don't I? Fucking I shouldn't do it. It's a problem, man.
Yeah. Well, like, sorry, look.
come back for a bit more in it.
Thank you, Ringo.
Good vibes.
Thank you. Good work, man. I'm gonna record this and send it in a minute. Yes, boy.
Muchas gracias, señor. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much, my man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Big
Alright.
time, mate.
Stew that, you know. Understand? It's a brown stew, said way. Go and share out some. Should I share some out for you right now? Tina. Should I share you out, Tina? Yes, sir. Are you this? Yeah. Hmm?
Wow, yeah. To be blood.
Lucky, what's the food saying?
Yeah, but I fucking know, like 9 years.
Good vibes.
100%. Thank
Good
you
vibes.
very much. Thank you very much, Ringo.
Alright, good vibes, people. So you see, so we have the kitchen over there. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're just handing out the food. That is it. And this is where the Christmas barbecue is going to be, inside of this venue here, with the fire burning said way. You understand, people? Yeah, we've got the fire burning said way. We've got the trolleys them out here said way, people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you that's been on the journey. Yeah, man, we just brought the kitchen right here. You understand, people? Yeah, and we just cooked some brown stew chicken. We're just handing out the food. You understand? Some people's gonna come through from uptown. You understand? We put the noise out. You understand? That is it. Our good vibes. Look at the fire, man. So it's warm outside, said way. Yes, people, so finished sharing out some food and we're just sitting down around the fire right now, just holding the vibes, isn't it?
Good vibes, man.
Good vibes.
Nice and warm.
That is it.
That'll warm you up.
That. Whoa!